has left an indelible mark on each of our lives, serving as a beacon of love, strength, and unwavering support. Her journey on this earth was one of resilience, sacrifice, and boundless compassion. Nanay always held a special place in our hearts, not just as a grandmother, but as a second mother to all her grandchildren. She often said, "Tanang ako niya, agad sa iyang kamot sa pagalang," emphasizing her role as a nurturer and protector of our innocent hearts. She has always been a strong woman, a brave mother, and a wife who would do everything for her family. Despite facing financial hardships, Nanay, alongside Tatay William, ensured that their children received education, instilling in them the values of perseverance and determination. Her generosity knew no bounds. Nanay opened her heart and home to her sister's children, demonstrating her selflessness and capacity for love. She raised 6 remarkable children, each growing up to embody her resilience, ambition, and kindness. Up until her grandchildren, Nanay has always been a guiding light to precious, innocent little hearts. I remember a funny moment when I was still a baby. She once told me that I was crying because I was hungry, and my mama wasn't home at that time. So Nanay thought I needed milk. So she let me try to eat from her, even though she didn't have any milk left. So it's a special memory that always makes me smile. Nanay was such a great grandmother. I will always remember her as a social butterfly, effortlessly making connections wherever she went. Whenever I tagged along on her errands, we would always bump into someone she knew, turning it into impromptu reunions. They would chat away, making our errands take longer than expected. And I used to joke on my mind that time, "Katabian ka aning nanay, uy, dugay na po mi man ani, kasi tabi." Little did I know, those moments would become cherished memories. Nanay was a woman of hope. She always had this vision of a better tomorrow, filled with love, laughter, and endless possibilities. Despite facing challenges and setbacks, she never lost faith in the goodness of life. Her optimism was infectious, uplifting everyone around her. Her unwavering faith in our potential inspired us to reach for the stars, knowing that she believed in us wholeheartedly. She played a significant role in my decision to study tourism management. She believed in me and encouraged me to pursue the path, affirming that it was the perfect fit for me. Her confidence in my abilities gave me the courage to strive for success. Well, Nanay, I'm proud to say that I won the tour guiding competition last April too, holding on to your belief in me every step of the way. And perhaps, wearing her watch during the competition brought me luck, serving as a tangible reminder of her unwavering support and guidance. The night before Nanay journeyed into God's arms, I finished my school report around 1 in the morning. As I stepped out of my room to use the bathroom, I noticed Nanay staring at me intently. It was unusual for her to watch me, so I didn't think much of it at that time. Little did I know that would be the last time I would saw her eyes open with such life. When I read the heartbreaking message from my mama saying, "Wala na sila," a lot of thoughts overwhelmed me. I wish I had called her, talked to her, or hugged her one last time. It was a shock to realize that Nanay was gone so soon. I never imagined that I would be standing here today, delivering a eulogy for her, surrounded by those who loved her dearly. Despite the pain of losing her, I found solace in knowing that Nanay is no longer suffering. Seeing her in pain, confined to her folding bed with her hands tied and tubes attached to her was agonizing. It broke my heart to see her endure such discomfort. The pain that I feel now pales in comparison to what Nanay experienced. I take comfort in knowing that Nanay is now at peace in the arms of our Lord. Perhaps she is reunited with her loved ones who have gone before her, especially her mama and her papa, whom she always spoke fondly of whenever she's asleep. Though I'll miss her smile dearly, I find peace in knowing that she's free from pain and suffering. Nay, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for being that one person who would do anything for us. Aliyah, Nino, Ace, Anya, and I are profoundly thankful for all the love and care you showered upon us. Your children, Papa Alfred, Ate Poy, and Ate Anaan, may not always say it, but I know that they love you with all their hearts and are immensely proud of you. Even though Tatay may be quiet, I can feel the burning love he has for you. Thank you for showing us the true meaning of love and for giving your all just to see us smile brightly. You have always been a reliable daughter, a kind-hearted sister, a selfless mother, and a compassionate grandmother to us. Nay, your presence will be deeply missed. I'll miss your cheerful laughter, your langas-langas na kagabi your beautiful singing during midnight that will wake me up, your sugo na pangipot ng uban, which dili ka gana na ako'y maibot kay maapil lang plak. Your boundless generosity. Everything about you has left an indelible mark on our lives. You will always hold a special place in our hearts, Nay. Your love will continue to live on us now and forever. We love you beyond words. That's all.
Okay, thank you.